Hello, this tutorial will show you how to use Quick Parts in Microsoft Word. Quick Parts allow you to record and save a piece of text or, for example, a signature block that you use regularly in your documents. So to start off with, we'll show you a signature block. Now you can scan a signature from signing on a piece of white paper, scanning it and saving it as an image in your computer, and then you insert it like any other picture. But for today, I will just show you how to do a signature that you can just use on non-official documents. So if you pick a font such as Freestyle Script, write your name, and then put your name underneath. Font. That's just an example of something that we may want to insert at the bottom of documents. What you do is you highlight that. So that's exactly what you normally do. Go to the Insert menu and go across to Quick Parts. Select the down arrow there, and you'll see an option to save selection to your Quick Part gallery. Click on that, and here's where you can put the details. You'll know to pick it next time. So, for example, you might call it my signature. You can have various categories if you want to start setting up different categories. We'll just pop it in general. And then click on OK. Now, next time I come to my document and I want to insert it, I go back to the Insert menu, go to Quick Parts, and you'll see that my signature is now here. That option to insert that is here already. So if I click on that, it'll insert it into my document. So that will save me typing that every time that I need it. Another piece of text that you may want to have in your document, you may pop that in the bottom of some of them, is like, for example, a disclaimer. You might have a privacy policy. So in the same way, take the text that you'd like to include. I've got a sample text here. Make sure it's the size, the font that you like, format it correctly, highlight it, go up to Quick Parts, and choose Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. It's already taken the name of the heading there, Disclaimer, which I will keep, and I'll click on, you can put a description in there if you need to, then click on OK. Then next time you need to insert that, if you go to your Quick Parts, you'll see that it's there. So you've got Disclaimer, here's my signature that we did earlier, click on it, and it's inserted. Now, if you need to make changes to one of the building blocks you've popped in there, you can go to Building Blocks Organizer here, and you'll see all the different building blocks you've got. Now, you'll remember you've got the names in here. Word gives you a whole lot of different things that you may like to insert. So it's something you can look into. But say I want to fix the one called Disclaimer, you'll see it there. You can edit it, you can delete it, etc. So if you want to delete it, you hit delete and it will remove it. And that's a quick tutorial of how to use Quick Parts to save you time next time you're creating documents. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.